Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add audio spectrum to make music video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to create a new project. We can go to the video and then select new, and you can choose either photo or video to make it as the background of your music video. And for instance, I'm just going to select photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one and click on the check mark to add it to our project. Okay, and I'm going to change the canvas. I'm going to click on feed, and then we can go to the PIP option and then go to the material, and you need to go to the atmosphere category. Then you can scroll down until you find the audio spectrum. Wait, I'm still trying to find it. Okay, this one. Add it to your project. Click on the check mark and click on this button to fit the screen like this. And wait guys, I'm going to adjust the duration of the background. I'm going to make it align with the audio spectrum. Okay, and we can go to the PIP again, select PIP, go to the material, select atmosphere, and you can add this one. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and you can click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Okay, just like this guys, and I'm going to put photo to the spectrum. I'm gonna go to the PIP and select PIP, and I'm going to select random photo from my device, this one. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with the spectrum, and I'm gonna put mask. Wait, go to PIP, select your photo, go to the mask option and select the circle mask. Okay, then you can adjust the size like this. Okay, and wait, I'm going to adjust the size of the spectrum. I'm just going to make it smaller. Okay, now it's done. And don't forget to add music to the project. If you want to add music, you can go to the audio and then select music, and here you can either select music from the InShot, or you can also import your own music. If you want to import your own music, you can go to the music, and then these are the music from my device. And for instance, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, this is the final result guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can add audio spectrum to make music video on InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.